All right, folks, so today we're going to take a look at how to make $400,000 on Fiverr with this one simple trick. Stay tuned to the end where I show you the secret software that you got to use. It's not a secret software, but it's the trick to use. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my channel. I make videos about making money online and things like that. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos that come out. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. You get 2 free websites, free training, a free membership, no credit card needed to sign up or anything like that. Check that out in the link below as well. And let's take a look at this, folks. Okay, so you're gonna come up to Fiverr and you're gonna go ebook covers. That's what we'll be making here. And like I said, at the end of the video, I'll show you the software that we use to make the ebook covers rather quickly. Now, there's a lot of people making these ebook covers, but let's just take a look at one of these here to show you how much you could possibly be making. Let's just pick this one here. So, okay, so now you might be thinking Fiverr is only $5, but no, it's not. That used to be $5. But now this basic package here starting at 10. We have a $20 one, a $30 one. Let's just go for the standard $20 one here, since that's in the middle. We'll take an average, I guess, and then we'll put the calculator. And they have 16,557 feedbacks, which I have right here. So let's just take that times 20. Let's say they did 20. And right there, that's $331,141 or $140. So that's close to the 400,000, but not quite yet. Then if you go to her profile here, she has another offer here. It starts at $50 and then $75 and then a premium at $100. So let's just say, and this one has a feedback of 1,721. So basically, let's just do the same thing. 17. Go to the calculator here. So that's another $129,075 plus the original amount. So there you go, $460,215. Of course, Fiverr takes some of their fees, so we'll just round it down. All right, folks. So here is the trick to making the ebook covers quickly. This has over 5,000 templates you can choose from. You can make books like this, professional graphics, all this stuff. You can make book covers like this, and this is so much easier than using Photoshop and stuff like that. There's backgrounds, there's all this stuff here, projects on the fly, thousands of clip art images and stuff like that. It's integrated with Shutterstock and Pixabay and all those places. You get free images and stuff like that. Very easy to find what you're looking for. 300 unique fonts. So really cool. And it's only, I got a special code at the bottom here. You can get this software for $67, which normally $160. But you can use my code at the bottom of the page and get it for $67. And a $67 investment, you have your whole ebook business, ebook cover business up and running in no time. Now, obviously, let's be real here. You're not going to get those kind of sales right away. You have to build up a reputation on Fiverr and stuff. Like this girl has so much feedback. She's right in the top page, like we did when we searched for her. We saw when we searched for her. There's other people on here as well. So I'd recommend going to Google, just how to get sales on Fiverr. Check out some YouTube videos. Really learn the system. It's going to take you, once you get some feedback, you can get some friends and stuff to purchase them and get some feedback for you right away. But once you get some feedback, you can start to get your momentum going, you get the ball rolling, and you get more and more feedback and more sales, and you have an up and running business for really, really cheap, and you're up and going. All right, so there you go, folks. Really cool trick to make some money on Fiverr.com there. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There's free websites, free training, free membership, and you don't even need a credit card or anything to sign up. There's a link in the video description below. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.